Weeds are plants that are growing in places they are not supposed to be. They are prolific seed producers. They suck nutrients out of the soil. They can be vectors for insects, to other plants. If you cut a weed down, it'll grow back up from its root system. So to kill a weed, you have to eradicate all parts of the plant.
WeedErase is a revolutionary gardening tool that will let people rethink the way that they kill weeds.
The WeedErase is very precise. You can go right into the middle of the flowers and kill the weed that's there without damaging the plants that are beside it. The WeedErase uses this high-intensity light for a few seconds to kill the weed. It's easy to use. You can just put it on top of the weed and pull the trigger, and then it does it itself. It has an adjustable height, so you don't have to bend over, and it's lightweight, so you can carry it around the yard easily.
You have a directed approach, so you're not killing things around, you're targeting just the center of the one weed. Plus, it's kind of fun. You actually can see it damage the weed right away. You pull it up and the weed's already started to wilt. After about a week, it's already gone.
A lot of folks also don't want to use any chemicals. You know, they have pets, they have kids, there's wildlife around them. So they're looking for alternatives to chemical use, and this is a great opportunity for that.
The WeedErase is safe and effective for killing weeds for the homeowner. We've tested the WeedErase both in the greenhouse and in the field here at Central State University. And you hit a weed a couple of times, it will die.
The WeedErase goes through a 20-point inspection that we do before the products are released for shipment. This ensures that the WeedErase will be ready for years of use.
WeedErase is simple to use, effective at killing weeds, and great for the environment.
You get an immaculate garden that doesn't have any weeds, doesn't require you to use any chemicals. Use it season after season. Buy it once, it's there for a long time.